God bless you all. Welcome to my Friendly Maths channel. Do you find difficulty in such conversions? Let's discuss these questions. It is for class 5th onwards. And now see how many 100,000 make 100 million. Right, everyone? This is, if you are having in competitive exam, it is very oral question. We will be discussing both. But in school exams, if marks are there, so you need some calculation. Okay, you have to show some calculation. So let's discuss both of them. Now see how many 100,000 make 100 million is there. So for this, let us discuss both international number system as well as Indian system. In Indian system, while proceeding from right to left, what do? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, then thousand, 10,000s place, then we put comma here. Okay, then lakh, 10 lakh, then we put comma. Means for first time we put after hundreds place we put comma, and then after every two place values or two digits we keep putting commas so that we can read the number carefully. Means comfortably. Suppose see it is 21 lakh 96,572. Right, everyone? So here see ones, tens, hundreds, then we put comma, then 1,000, 10,000, we put comma, lakh, 10 lakh, like that. Now here see if it is 7,426,397. Okay, so here for every three from right to left we should see every time from right to left. Okay, so after three places we are putting comma, then after every three places we will be putting comma, every places, right? So now our question is how many 100,000 make 100 million? 100 million, 100,000 is here. Okay, so if it is 100,000 we put 1 here, and for every place value we put zeros. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 100,000 there are five zeros. 100 and 1,000. In 1,000 we get 3 zeros. Right, everyone? So it is 100,000. If we are asked in 900,000, so we write 9 here, and then for every place value we put 0. I hope it is clear, everyone. So it is 100,000s. So in 100,000s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros will be there. And if it is oral question, means it is objective question, you just have to put the tick mark. Then how will you see? It is see how 100 million. 100 million will be here and 100,000 will be here. So for every place value 10 we have to multiply it with 10. Means 100,000 multiplied by 10 will be million, and 100,000 multiplied by 100 will be 10 million. 100,000 multiplied by 1,000 will be 100 million. So in 100 million, how many 100,000s make 100 million? So 10, 100, 1,000. So 1,000 is the answer. In that way, in objective type questions you need to see. Otherwise also, let us see how to calculate. 100 million, how many zeros are there? Let us see. 100 million here. So here you will be writing 1. Then for every place values, you have to put zeros. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros will be there. This is 100 million. In 100 million, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros will be there. And in 100,000, how many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros will be there. If we cancel each and every zero as many, okay, so you will be getting 1,000. Right, everyone? 1,000. So 1,000 is the right answer. Okay, again I will be telling, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is equal to 100 million divided by, your question is like that. You have to write 100 million divided by 100,000. In 100,000 there are 5 zeros. Okay, now let us divided means we have to cancel each and every zero here. 3, 4, 5 zeros will be cancelled. Out of 8, 5 zeros will be cancelled. So that is equal to 1,000 is the answer. I hope this part is quite clear to you. Okay, and let us discuss now the second question. 1 million into 100 is equal to how many crores? You need to find out. Options are given. In 1 million means here is 1 million, million place. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros will be there. Okay, and multiplied by 100 means 2 more zeros will be increased. Okay, so in 1 million there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. In 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. This is 1 million. When it is multiplied by 100, so there will be total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2. That is 8 zeros are there. Okay. And in 1 crore we get 7 zeros. So in 10 crore we will be getting. Now let us see. I will be showing you. In 1 crore, okay, you will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Right? So in 10 crores, you will be getting 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Here also we are getting 8 zeros, 1 million multiplied by 100. So our answer will be, it is 10 crore. So 10 is the right answer. Okay, you can show the calculation like this. 1 million means 6 zeros. Okay, multiplied by 100, that is equal to 8 zeros total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is equal to 10 crore. This is the answer. Right, everyone? So I hope this video you find it useful for you, those who are having confusion in these conversions. If you like the video, please share it with your family and friends, those who also require such type of information. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. All the very best.